everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting topic to share with all of you. Home remedies for nail whitening. If you are struggling with stained or discolored nails, you have come to the right place. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss any of amazing content. Wait, before we sneak peek into remedies, I want to address that home remedies takes time, minimum of 3 months for the results. And also, common causes of nail discoloration are excessive use of nail paint, smoking, and even certain health conditions can be responsible for dull or yellow nails, discolored nails. But don't worry, if it doesn't go away, you should consult a dermatologist. But worry not, because we have got some fantastic all natural remedies to restore the natural whiteness of your nails. Alright, let's get started. For our first remedy, you will need these simple ingredients: fresh lemon juice and warm water. Just mix equal parts of lemon juice and warm water in a bowl. Soak your nails in this mixture for about 10 minutes. The natural properties of lemon will help brighten your nails. Don't forget to moisturize your hands afterwards, as lemon can be drying. Next up, we have a gentle and effective remedy using baking soda and water. Make a paste with baking soda and water and gently massage it onto your nails for a minute or two. Baking soda acts as a mild exfoliant, removing stains and giving your nails a refreshed look. Time for our next remedy, the magical oil. I have 3 fantastic oils that can help whiten and nourish your nails. That is tea tree oil, olive oil, or you can use coconut oil. Just apply 1 or 2 drops of any of these oils onto your nails and massage them gently. Leave it on for some time to let the goodness seep in. These oils are packed with nutrients and can do wonders for our nail health. Now next is whitening toothpaste. Gently massage your nails with a pea-size of whitening toothpaste with a soft brush, then rinse. Next is apple cider vinegar soak. Mix equal parts of vinegar with equal parts of water and soak your nails for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse and moisturize. Next up, milk soak. Soak your nails in a bowl of milk for 10 to 15 minutes. The lactic acid found in milk can help whiten and strengthen your nails. Now next is garlic paste. Crush garlic cloves and make a paste. Apply it to your nails and leave for 15 minutes. Now next is rice flour scrub. Take a tablespoon of rice flour, grind it in a grinder until it converts into a powder form and mix with small amount of water to form a paste. Gently rub it onto your nails and rinse off for brighter nails. Now next is orange peel. To whiten your nails by using orange peel, rub the inside of an orange peel on your nails for a few minutes. Its natural acids can help brighten and strengthen nails. Now next remedy is rubbing cucumber slices on your nails can help whiten them due to the natural bleaching properties of cucumber. Just slide a cucumber slice over your nails for a few minutes to see the effect. Alright, for the last remedy, using rose water on nails can help strengthen them and promote healthy nail growth and whiten your nails. Soak your nails in a bowl of rose water for a few minutes or apply it with a cotton ball for nourished and revitalized nails. There you have it, folks. A collection of amazing nail whitening home remedies that are safe, natural, and easy to try at home. Remember, consistency is key and results may vary depending on the severity of discoloration. If you found these tips helpful, give a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We have plenty more beauty and self-care content coming your way. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next video. Bye!